board support?
Well, let's find out. I know I weigh 220 pounds, and let's see if we can trace me. I'm on the board, click the start button in the software, and trace the outline. And what I did is I stabilized the bottom of the board so it can handle a lot of weight, and yes, 220 pounds is a lot of weight. I have a lot of fabrication shops that are right through the figures, very good. I have a lot of fabrication shops that use a magnetic lift to lift heavy metal objects on the board. It works just fine. When you want to do those, you just want to be careful not to drop anything on the board. And but yes, it can handle a lot of weight, several hundred pounds. I'm not sure anybody would ever want to trace a person, but it's a good demonstration of how easy it is. There it is. It looks great. We were able to digitize quite a bit of weight.